You're sitting in a meeting when suddenly your heart starts racing. Your chest tightens, you can't breathe. You think you're having a heart attack. You're taken to the ER, but the doctor says it's just anxiety. They didn't tell you, though, that your hormones are contributing to this and hijacking your nervous system. So why do panic attacks increase during perimenopause? Hi, I'm Dr. A. I'm an integrative psychiatrist and lifestyle physician. Let me paint you a picture. Allison, 47, successful marketing executive, never had anxiety in her life, then suddenly at 42, she's having panic attacks in grocery stores, during Zoom calls, and even while watching Netflix. Here's the shocking truth. Up to 50% of women experience anxiety during the menopausal transition. You may have been told it's just stress, but it's much more than that. Picture your hormones as a perfectly tuned orchestra. For decades, estrogen and progesterone played in harmony, but during perimenopause, it's like someone threw the sheet music in the air. Estrogen doesn't just regulate your menstrual cycle. It's your brain's security guard, keeping anxiety at bay. When estrogen plummets during perimenopause, your brain's alarm system goes haywire. Here's what's happening in your brain. Estrogen directly affects GABA, your brain's natural chill pill. Less estrogen means your GABA activity is affected, leaving your nervous system in fight or flight mode. And here's where it gets worse. Those night sweats disrupting your sleep, not only are they annoying, but they also worsen your anxiety. Research shows that sleep disruption increases anxiety risk significantly. When you're sleep deprived, your amygdala, your brain's fear center, becomes hyperactive. It's like having a smoke detector that goes off at the hint of smoke. I'll share one supplement that can help with this in just a moment, but first, here's something your doctor probably never told you. During perimenopause, insulin sensitivity changes. Your blood sugar becomes a roller coaster, and when it crashes, this can manifest as anxiety and panic attacks. Shaky hands, racing heart, sweating, feeling like you're gonna die. That's not all though. Estrogen also protects your gut lining. When it drops, your gut becomes leaky. Toxins slip into your bloodstream, triggering inflammation in your brain. This neuroinflammation makes things worse. So how do you control these panic attacks? Consider using the CALM protocol. C is for control blood sugar. Eat up to 30 grams of protein with your meals. This helps stabilize your blood sugar and reduces blood sugar spikes and crashes. A is for address magnesium. Most perimenopausal women are magnesium deficient. Take 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate before bed. It calms your nervous system and improves sleep quality. L is for light. Get 10 minutes of morning sunlight within 1 hour of waking. This resets your circadian rhythm and reduces cortisol, your stress hormone. M stands for mindful breathing. When you experience a panic attack, try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Breathe in for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which is like your body's brake pedal. I'll discuss medications as a treatment option in a bit, but before I do that, you need to know about an interesting fact. Hormone replacement therapy isn't just for hot flashes. Studies show it can reduce anxiety symptoms in perimenopausal women. Remember Allison from earlier? She implemented these strategies in addition to hormone therapy. Within a few weeks, she went from daily panic attacks to feeling calm and confident. She told me, "I finally feel like I got my life back." Severe cases of panic disorder require medications and therapy. First-line medications include SSRIs like sertraline or escitalopram, and SNRIs like venlafaxine. Benzodiazepines like lorazepam or clonazepam can provide rapid relief but are used short-term due to dependency risk. Therapy is equally important for panic disorder. Cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) is the gold standard. It helps identify and reframe panic-inducing thoughts, reduces avoidance behaviors, and teaches breathing and grounding techniques to manage anxiety. Treatment should be individualized with consideration given to the root causes. It is essential to address inflammation, gut dysbiosis, mitochondrial dysfunction, and insulin resistance, in addition to traditional treatments. Rounding up with lifestyle support, including sleep, nutrition, movement, and stress reduction, makes all the difference. To find out ways to improve your mental health naturally, check out this next video.